Hello friends, I Dr. Praveen Narayan Mahamuni and today's topic for discussion is the functions of finance manager. So as you know, the all decisions involving management of funds come under the purview of finance manager. So rather we can call it is a function of finance manager. It is the role of every finance manager in the organization. Let's see. The first is fund requirement estimation. The requirement of funds have to be carefully estimated. So, at the time of requirement of funds, two things should be taken care by the finance manager. First is the purpose of funds. So, what purpose the fund should be procured, whether it should be investment in fixed asset or required for working capital. And second is the timing of funds. Timing of funds means at when time it is required. That two things should be determined by the finance manager. Also, it involves the use of techniques like capital budgeting or a budgetary control techniques can used by the finance manager for understanding the long range and plan accordingly. This calls for forecasting all physical activities of the organization and translating them into the money terms. So this is the foremost first role of the finance manager, that is to estimate the fund requirement. Now second, the capital structure. The funds can be collected from various sources for short-term purpose and long-term purpose. So various sources like equity share capital, preference share capital, debenture, term loan, etc. So decision regarding the capital structure is also called as the financing decisions should be taken to provide the proper balance between the long-term planning and the short-term planning of funds. Also finance manager take care of the loan funds and the own funds. The most importantly, a proper mix of various sources has to be worked out by the finance manager in the capital structure. Now, third is the investment decision. Now, whenever we procure the funds, it has the cost attached with the procured fund. So it should be invested and utilized effectively. The long-term funds should be invested in the fixed asset and permanent working capital after the estimation of the requirement carefully. Also, finance manager prepares the asset management policies should be laid down for fixed assets and current assets. So, third function is the investment decision. Now, fourth function is the dividend decision. Now, the finance manager assists the top management in deciding what amount of dividend should be paid to the stakeholders and what should be, that is what amount should be retained in the business itself. So this is the most important decision taken by the finance manager or assessed by the finance manager to the top management, because the dividend decisions it depends on various factors like trend of earning, trend of share market price, and the requirement of funds for a future growth, cash flow situation, tax position of the shareholders. So this is the most important decision taken by the finance manager. Now next is cash management decision. So the finance manager has to ensure that all sections of the branches or factories or departments and the units of the organization are supplied with the adequate cash to facilitate the smooth flow of business operation. He should ensure that there is no excessive cash idle fund in any division or any unit at a point of time. For this purpose, each management and for this purpose, each management of cash disbursement policies, transfer policies should be laid down by the finance manager. So next is performance evaluation. Now, in this function, the finance manager has to evaluate the financial performance of various units of the organization. There are various tools of financial analysis like budgetary control, ratio analysis, cash flow statement, fund flow statement, common size statements, intra-firm comparison. So these are the tools of financial analysis helps management to assess the how effectively the funds have been utilized and identified the methods of improvement. Also, the top management also understand the financial performance of the firm. Now, next is financial negotiations. So the finance manager is required to interact and carry out negotiations with the financial institutions, banks, public depositors. So negotiations, especially with the outside financial, required the specialized skill. So he can negotiation means he can bargain the requirement of funds with minimum cost to the organization. Now next is market impact analysis. The finance manager has to keep in touch with the stock exchanges, quotations, and fluctuations of share prices. It involves analysis of major trends in the stock market and judging their impact of share price of the company. Value maximization objective is achieved through this analysis and the action. That's why the market impact analysis is most important point from the point of the finance manager, because we can analyze the value impact of the company. So these are the 8 functions, rather I called these are the 8 roles should be done by the finance manager in any organization. I hope this video able to clear the role or functions of finance manager to you. Thank you very much.